Hello everyone. Now I am with one of my student. His name is Vinit. Right, he is the AIR in the gate in the CSE gate examination. AIR 4. He is a so talented person, brilliant and very hardworking. Because the entire year he done a lot of hard work to get the rank 4. And afterwards he went to IT Bombay, and afterwards now he is working in one of the MNC in the US. Let's go and let's know the more details about Vinit and all. Right. So without wasting one more minute, let me call. Hi Vinit.
Hey, sir. Thanks for inviting me here. Hi, everyone who gonna watch this video. Um, so myself is Vinit Gupta. So I joined so I got fourth rank in GATE exam. I joined IIT Bombay after that. Before that, I was doing by BTech from BIT Mesra, and then I did startup for little bit time, and then it did not work out, and then I wrote the GATE exam. And by grace of God, I got fourth rank. I joined sir's class. He used to teach me DSA algorithm and automata and compiler design. Probably I'm forgetting. So I passed GATE exam in 2012. It's long time back. But after that, I joined IIT Bombay. It was a good journey, and then I got placed directly in a US company, and I moved US after that. So that's my brief overview and journey, how I meet with sir and like reached here where I am right now.
Oh, it's nice. Right. Thank you so much, Vinit. Your this meeting is going to be so valuable to me and all my students, because right, you are the role model to most of my students. After watching this particular video, definitely it will inspire many students. Yeah, let's go a little bit quickly. So you are in the US. Where are you presently in the US?
Right now, I'm in the Bay Area, so I live near to San Francisco. So I work there in a startup, which is also like in Bay Area.
Okay. So I think in the US now some elections are going on.
Yeah, election is gonna be there soon. People are waiting for that. So they
Uh,
are like, yeah.
okay. So what is the difference you see in Indian elections and US elections? What difference you see?
Yeah, there are a lot of difference. The main difference is that in US there are only two parties, Republican or Democrat. But in India we have a lot of regional parties and like BJP, Congress, and all other bigger parties. But in US there are only two parties, and here people directly choose for president rather than choosing their small representative like MPs, what we choose in India. Here people directly vote for the president and they are getting elected. So that
Yes.
these are the major difference between like Indian democracy and US democracy.
So which you feel in your opinion? Just
Um,
a small
yeah,
opinion, because you are not a politician. You are a technology person. Most probably your answer may not depict anything. So let's
yeah,
have some idea.
yeah. So there are only like two choice here, either Kamala Harris or the Donald Trump, correct? So right now the situation is very tight here. When I say that, like all the recent poll are saying that the chances of winning these candidates are 50-50. So there are some swing states where like people are not decided. Generally, they decide the fate of the election. So people are still waiting for that, what people gonna choose in these swing states. So
So
it's very,
that's what I'm
very
saying.
close
Indian
election right now.
elections, Indian elections are better or US elections are better? What you feel? What you feel?
Better, when I
Better
say
for
better,
society. Better for society. Which one is better?
like both elections have like significance, correct? Like US election has more significance for world as well, because like right now most of the policies are also decided in other countries also by US, correct? So like for Indian election is important for India because people get like their work will be directly impacted by all the representative selected by India. So but US election has more weightage because world also like their policy also decide what gonna change in the world. So that's why like we cannot have one is important than other, but like they both have their own significance.
So you like Modi ji or not?
It's very tough question. Like I would not like to answer that question. Yeah, so let it be there. But yeah, this current
You like
government, like
you like Rahul Gandhi or Modi ji?
again, like I will not like to go in that, but I would say that like both have their different way of doing the thing. Modi ji has like his own way of doing the thing. He want to deliver the work, good or bad. There are some good part in that, some bad part in that. And Rahul Gandhi, I feel more emotional toward people right now. What I feel, so he has some more human touch. What I feel recently going through his videos. So both have different pros and cons. So yeah, it depends like at the end what type of person you are and how you can
You
correlate with other people.
you escaped so nicely. So nicely you escaped.
It's not about escaping, but yeah, people like it's our choice, correct? At the end, we are in the democracy. Some people will like Modi ji, some people will not like Modi ji. So it's it's on their wish, correct? That's why we are in democracy. So it doesn't matter at the end if you don't like Modi ji, you still love India, correct? So that's the theme. So it doesn't matter who's gonna come in the power, but at the end, our country should grow. That's what I feel.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much for your nice opinion. Right. So thank you so much, Vinit. Let's